So I'm cleaning up the 58 Bel Air, just getting all the dirt and glass and everything out, so I can start taking the dash out, because I need to get it out. The car won't fit onto the BMW if the dash is inside, so have to take that out. But first I want to like clean all this crap out. Dude,
Shut the fuck up! I know that was you. I ain't even gotta look.
the floors are gonna all get cut out anyways, but I just want to clean them up. I'm actually surprised how much dirt was caked in this thing. I filled up an entire barrel full of dirt. Like, I'm talking, it was like this deep inside the car. I don't know where this car sat, but it was pretty bad, and that's the reason why the floor's all rotted, because all the moisture just stayed stuck in the dirt and, you know, turned into mud, so rotted everything out. So yeah, that's quite a bit of dirt. Where is it? The vacuum cleaner is completely full of dirt, so that thing's heavy. Yeah, so just kind of getting this cleaned up. It is on the dollies, or the caster dollies, whatever, so that I can move it easily, as you've seen. But yeah, I need to clean up this mess. This is ridiculous. Got the Bel Air home. Got a lot of cutting done on the Bel Air itself. It's actually coming together fairly nicely. Still quite a bit of cutting to do for sure, but next week I should have the video of where I actually put this thing onto the BMW itself. And of course there'll still be some more cutting and kind of trimming and modifying in there. Clean off all the rust and see how bad everything is inside of the Bel Air itself. Because this car is actually like pretty bad. I'm gonna need to section out the rockers, completely rebuild them, strengthen them back up, on both the BMW and the Bel Air. So this way I can weld them together, get everything all nice and boxed together, and then welded, make it all level and everything. But yeah, so hopefully you guys are liking the progress that I'm making on this thing, because it's gonna come together pretty quickly, and then it's basically just kind of like aesthetics at this point. Like afterwards, I mean, there's still going to be some roll cage fab and everything like that, but it's not going to be anything like a ground up build, if you will. So it should come together pretty quickly. Then I can start modifying it even more and kind of just getting things organized and getting things together for the Bel Air. Definitely have another video next weekend of me actually picking this thing up and putting it on the BMW. So stick around for that if you guys want. If you guys can, like the video, share the video, comment down below, do the commenting, because it helps the videos get out there a lot. And you know, hopefully we can take this channel somewhere, but you know, we'll see. I'll just keep posting, and hopefully I will get somewhere, but who knows. Anyways, I will catch you guys in the next one. As always, love, peace, and chicken grease. I will see you later. Bye.